It is in Ngor-Okpala all over the world. When you are a man, you are expected to establish for yourself a family. What I mean here is that when a man comes of age, such a man is ordinarily expected by the society to get married. Ngor-Okpala people promotes marriage sustainability against all odds. But in a case where a man of marriageable age persists in bachelorhood regardless of his circumstance, such a man is noted, seen as irresponsible. Family life makes a man to be held accountable or to be seen as accountable to the society. But when that man remain unmarried or to be unable to sustain a marriage or not able to even procreate or have any offspring at all, whether biological or otherwise, such a man is taken as an okpokoro man. The consequences. I'm with Dr. Blessing Mba. I am the digital storyteller. I am a librarian. I am a lecturer. And I come here